Well, today we are gonna discuss how to install a VirtualBox application on Windows OS. In few minutes, we will learn how to download that application and install and on the Windows OS. Just open any browser on your computer. Um, Go to google.com and type for download VirtualBox. You will get the first link, which is Downloads Oracle. Just right click and open a new page, and you have many options here just for how to install Windows on a Windows OS. Click on uh, Windows host. So you will see the download progress on your left bottom corner. Once the download completes, so open it in a show folder. So since I have already downloaded that twice, so I have two files here. Never mind on that. So select one file, right click on that, and then click on install. Alright, so once you right click, you will get um, a new wizard with uh, welcome screen on that, and then just click on next. Then you have a custom setup. You have VirtualBox application, then USB support, network driver support, and then bridge networking, other steps. So if you ask me, I will just leave these as a blank, and then I'll go next. Uh, on the next one, you have an option to select. You want a shortcut, and you want to create a shortcut on a desktop. Create a shortcut on your menu entries, then a quick launch bar. So these are the options you have available here. You can select any one of these and click next. Then you will get a warning for your network interface if you're installing Oracle VM on your Windows machine. A networking feature will restart your network connection, and you may face temporary disconnection on your network. And once you're all agreed for that, you're okay with the installation process, just click on install. Okay, now click on install. So it will take a few minutes to complete the install. Once this installation is done, you are um, VirtualBox is installed on your machine, and you will be able to use VirtualBox to create a virtual machine and on your using the VirtualBox and install multiple operating systems on that. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this is informative for you.